Spatial planning is a concept that includes planning, organizing and using land efficiently and sustainably. Includes the arrangement of physical space in an area, such as urban, rural, or certain regions, taking into account factors such as land function, infrastructure, natural environment, as well as the social and economic needs of the community there. In the context of spatial planning, the aim is to create an environment that can properly support human activities, reduce land use conflicts, promote environmental sustainability, and improve the quality of life of residents. Spatial planning is the process of planning and organizing land use and infrastructure in an area. The goal is to create an efficient, sustainable and well-functioning environment for the people who live in it. This process involves identifying the needs and potential of an area, creating a land use plan that considers various factors such as economic, environmental, social and cultural, and implementing the plan through appropriate regulations and policies. Spatial planning includes monitoring and evaluating the implementation of plans and necessary adjustments in accordance with developments and changing conditions in the area. Spatial planning function. 1. Land use regulation. Spatial planning helps regulate land use in an efficient and sustainable way, ensuring that each area is utilized optimally, according to its needs and potential. 2. Infrastructure development. Through spatial planning, infrastructure development such as roads, bridges and other public facilities can be planned in an integrated and efficient manner, ensuring good accessibility and adequate services for residents. 3. Environmental protection. Spatial planning can help in protecting sensitive natural environments, such as nature conservation areas, water sources, and agricultural land, by limiting activities that can damage these ecosystems. Sustainable residential development. Through spatial planning, residential development can be planned by paying attention to sustainability aspects, such as efficient use of energy, waste management, and the creation of green open spaces. 4. Controlling urban growth. By planning land use in a structured manner, spatial planning helps control uncontrolled urban growth, preventing traffic jams, pressure on resources, and increasing social inequality. Benefits of spatial planning. 1. Improving the quality of life. By creating an orderly and comfortable environment, spatial planning can improve the quality of life of residents by providing good access to public facilities, green open spaces, as well as a safe and clean environment. 2. Economic development. Good spatial planning can support economic growth by creating a conducive environment for investment and business, as well as facilitating accessibility between various regions and economic centers. 3. Reducing land use conflicts. Structured land use planning and aligning the interests of various stakeholders. Spatial planning can reduce conflicts related to land use which have the potential to trigger disputes between communities. 4. Resource conservation. Paying attention to sustainability in land use planning. Spatial planning can help in conserving natural resources such as water, land and forests, as well as preventing sustainable environmental degradation. 5. Disaster resilience. Inclusive and adaptive spatial planning. Areas can be designed to be more resilient to natural disasters such as floods, landslides and earthquakes, by calculating risks and implementing appropriate mitigation measures. Okay guys, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Salam Dombi channel.